Hello everyone, Nate Kopic here with Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon, stock number 28285T. This one is black in color. It's got the heat reduction hood on it. Big Rubicon emblem on the side. Marker lights here in the fender flares now. Got the red tow hooks with the fog lights here in the front bumper. Nice two-tone 17-inch wheel. It's like a billet silver and black. Heat reduction fenders. Something to keep in mind on these hard tops here, they are a three-piece removable hard top. So this front half comes off in two sections and this is all one. If you just wanted to take the front half off, that's an option as well. Power mirrors and locks. Power windows. Front and rear sway bar disconnect. Locking rear differential. Does have the upgraded USB-C and USB ports for auxiliary, 3 of them total. At your climate control area. Touchscreen radio allows you to do things like control your radio settings, backup camera, things like that. On the steering wheel here, cruise control settings. We got gauge cluster settings for up in here, also for your phone. Also on the back side of these steering wheels, there are buttons on each side. One's for presets, the other one's for volume. Changing source is an option in there as well. You got this nice brown or tan premium leather seating. This thing is just super clean. Let's take a look in the back. Plenty of space back here for a passenger. We got four auxiliary options here. 2 of them being USB and the other 2 being USB-C. Speakers across the top. Now these back seats do fold down flat. So if you don't have enough room here in the back, really frees up some room here. Something new they did with this one as well, add a little center console here. Also doubles as a headrest. That's real nice. Red tow hooks here in the back. Spare tire with a backup camera. Standard feature on the JL. Plenty of space back here in the rear. Premium Alpine sound. This is a cover that's going to be for your hardtop pieces. Something cool they do too, you have a toolkit plus spots for each thing. So here's door hinges, your roof, windshield bolts, all can be conveniently stored right here in the back. Very nice vehicle. Again, this is a 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon, stock number 28285T. I'm Nate Kopic. Stop in and see me today or give me a call at 937-778-0830. Also, make sure you visit our website at sherrychrysler.com.